Good morning to all of you. In previous lecture, we studied different materials as well as their properties according to materials. Okay. Now we are going to see the properties of materials. Generally, there are 4 to 5 types of properties of the materials. It include physical properties, then mechanical properties, then chemical properties, all like this. Okay. So in this lecture we are going to see the physical properties of the materials. Now physical properties tell to us that state of the particular substance. That means the properties like pressure, then temperature told us the status of that particular substance. Now in this lecture we are going to see these are the properties. It include density, melting point, specific heat, thermal expansion and thermal conductivity. Okay. So we are going to see them one by one. First one is density. So density it is an fraction of two quantities that include mass and volume. Okay. Mass is in, generally we taken it is in kilogram and volume is in meter cube. Okay. This is density of the particular substance. Suppose we taken an example of the water, then in that case the density of the water is in 1000. Okay. Suppose we take the example of mercury, then the density of the mercury is 13,600. Okay. Means mercury is high densely than water. Okay. Now we are going to see next properties of the material, that is melting point. Melting point is nothing but it is at constant temperature at which solid state of the particular substance is get converted into liquid. Okay. Means it is the one kind of energy required to convert the substance from solid state to liquid state. Suppose let us take an example of water. Water is at suppose -4 degrees Celsius, it becomes ice, but at particular temperature, suppose the temperature goes on increasing to -4 to suppose +1, +2. Now according to this temperature increases, the water converted from solid to its liquid state. Okay. Means ultimately when the temperature are going increases particular value, okay, the states of that particular substance is going to change, and at particular temperature, according to temperature the substance changes its states. This is nothing but melting point of that particular materials. Now next one is specific heat. Okay. It is nothing but amount of heat required to change the temperature or change the means it is amount of heat required to increase the temperature of this particular substance by 1 degree Celsius. Okay. Means whatever the amount of quantity you required of heat to require the increase the temperature of the particular substance by 1 degree Celsius is nothing but specific heat of that particular materials. Let us take an example of water again. Then in that case, specific heat of the water is generally taken as it is a standard one, that is 4.187 kilojoule per kg. Okay, means if you want to increase the temperature of water by 1 degree Celsius, then you have to heat that water by this amount of heat energy. Okay, is in kilojoule. Okay, this is nothing but specific heat of that particular materials. It is going to change according to the substance. Okay, now we are going to see next properties, that is thermal expansion. Okay, generally all the solid materials that are present in this world have the one more common ability, that is they become change their states when the temperature of that particular substance is going to increase. Okay, means whenever we are going to heat that materials, they becomes expand. Okay, suppose consider this is a rectangular bar. Okay, having cross section is like this. Okay, now if we are going to heat that particular bar, okay, by using some heat source, now what will be happen after particular period of time? Ultimately the expansion of this bar will take place, just because of there is a increase in heat energy of that particular bar. Okay, now means this bar becomes like this. Okay, after hitting that particular bar, this bar get elongated just because of there is a increase in temperature. Now thermal expansion is what? It is the property of the materials of getting expanding after heating. Now they become contract when they are cooled. Okay, now we have to calculate this expansion by using a mathematical formula, that is LF minus L0 upon original length equals to alpha F in bracket Tf minus T0, whereas L suffix F is nothing but final length of the that bar. Okay, then L suffix O is original length of that bar. Then alpha F is nothing but coefficient of thermal expansion. T suffix F is final temperature of that heating. T0 is the original temperature of that bar. Okay, before heating. Now by using this formula, we calculate the expansion of that particular bar. Okay. Next one is thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity, it is again the properties of the material, physical property of the materials, that is generally denoted by